I've been composting for years and have now decided to get rid of all the rocks that are in my kind of local dirt that I work on. So I built a compost tumbler, rock sifter, made a dump run to get some more mulch. My dump is nice enough to shred it up and leave it there for you at no cost. I go pick it up, bring it home, and decided to use my compost tumbler to try to break down the mulch to the smaller bits that can more easily go in my compost. And then I had a project of dumping out my washing machine refusal water out to the yard, so I built kind of a pond to hold that and one of my large chunks to go there. This is a really easy setup. I had a frame from a bench that I just went ahead and pulled the top off. I put 2 wheels from Harbor Freight Tools on, and then kind of made a pivot point and some all thread through the back of the rim. Front wheel rim, I went ahead and popped the spokes out, so it's just a simple loop or hoop. And on the back, I went ahead and left the, I guess I yanked the bearings out, put the all thread in, locked it down with some nuts, and made a handle on the back. So the wrap is a 1/2 inch hardware cloth and just wrapped around. If you wanted to sift larger things, you could go ahead and get a larger weave or a tighter one. This worked really well for what I was looking to do, and also gives my chicken something to scratch and peck at and dig for bugs. I have thought about putting a motor on it to go ahead and get it to run, so that way I don't have to sit there and hand crank. The higher the elevation of the crank side, the quicker the pieces will tumble out of the other side. If you have it pretty much level, it'll end up slowly kicking around and kicking out. I put a little bit of a shell for ledge in there to help it kick out, and then I can also run it in reverse and kick things out a little bit easier. Hope you enjoyed. Comment, question below. I'll see y'all later. For Derek Builds, I'm Derek Barrett.